This 2022 Jayco Alante 29S is a Class A RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 31 feet 4 inches in length and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bunk over cab, rear bath, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.